Hello, hi, my name is Akir Rafiq, and in this video, I'll go through a roundup of the news this week regarding stocks and crypto. Before we get started, if you can hit the like and subscribe button, currently sitting at 456 subscribers, hoping to hit the 1,000 mark as soon as possible. Let's get straight into it. It's been a busy week for the markets. We saw that UK inflation rose from 10.1% in January to 10.4% in February, largely as a result of vegetable shortages driving the prices to go up. UK Central Bank, the Bank of England, decided to raise interest rates by 25 basis points as well. So overall, inflation isn't curbing at a rate that people think it should be. We also saw the US Fed raise interest rates by 25 basis points. They're expected to do a rate cut in May, but that depends on the data coming through. So overall, inflation isn't slowing down as people think it is. The US are printing money as well to combat inflation. There's some people in the Fed saying that interest rates are continued to expected to go up. Bullard said just 24 hours ago that he expects the interest rate to hit 5.625%. So yeah, Bank of America shares, the bank shares are still tanking. They thought Bank of America fell to its lowest level since November 2020. Wall Street's been up and down all week. So overall, doesn't look good. US February durable goods orders fall was minus 1%. Estimate was plus 0.6%. Previous was minus 5%. Um, as I say to you, some people in the market are expecting the Fed to cut rates by June. I don't personally think that will happen, given how inflation is continuing to rise. I don't know how that can be justified. We also see the a lot of tech companies continue to cut jobs. Amazon cut 9,000 jobs this week. Most of it was in their profitable sector, which was the AWS and Twitch. So quite strange for Amazon to be cutting there. A lot of other companies also announced tech cuts. I think that's going to be the main theme this year. People losing jobs. My personal opinion, companies need to consolidate cost since the pandemic. So yeah, we saw Meta, Amazon. I expect more companies. Shopify was the first one last year out of all the big tech companies to cut jobs. Obviously, for inflation to go down, unfortunately, the unemployment rate has to go up for inflation to go down. That's historically proven. So let's cover off the rest of the news. We saw our big stream go live as well this week, which I'll cover off shortly. But let's go and watch our guru, which will give you a quick roundup. Coinbase is starting to donate to pro crypto candidates in the US elections. US elections are scheduled for 2024. Terra Kwon founder Do Kwon, who was obviously behind the failed coin of his, is now in Montenegro in handcuffs. Good to see that. Jim Cramer says that the Deutsche Bank is very profitable and doing well. Obviously, doesn't mean most of the time the opposite happens, so keep an eye on that. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen calls US financial regulators for an unscheduled meeting today that is closed to the public. That was 24 hours ago. She's a bit worried of what's going on. Nasdaq is to launch a crypto services in Q2 2023, so sometime in April to July. I actually think that the whole banking sector is going to collapse personally. This is my own view, it doesn't represent anyone else's view that I work for, etc. But I think that crypto is going to kick off in the second half of this year once we see the banks collapse again. I think we'll see a 2008 style crash coming. So yeah, Congress introducing bill proposing Bitcoin mining can help achieve energy goals and grow the US economy. So we're seeing a positive impact there. I'd say to you, Terra Kwon, owner Do Kwon, has been arrested. Um, so yeah, overall, I am quite bearish in the short term. Keep an eye out. Let me know what you think. If you found the video useful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I hope to drop more content in the coming days.